The Veterans Services Office is the cornerstone for all military-connected students. For those who choose to apply for and use their VA educational benefits, school certifying officials help eligible students understand their benefits and act as liaisons to the Department of Veterans Affairs. Services include group information sessions, one-on-one appointments, educational planning for veterans and military-connected students, the use of a veterans lounge to study, relax, and interact with other veterans, military-connected students, and their family, and opportunities to learn about on and off-campus resources from a dedicated veteran transition coordinator. Stop by the Veterans Services Office to get connected today.